Hello and welcome back to Solo Moto UK. How's life behind bars? Not these bars, these bars.
Well, hello. Hello and welcome. This is Derek, Solo Moto UK. I'm out on the bike, going to the Longitch diner bike meet tonight. Got Curtis behind me. Done a few bits to the bike. I've fitted all my Denali lights except for one, which I'm waiting for, which is the back light. I fitted the Denali sound bomb. If you hear that, yeah, I fitted that. Handlebar raisers that go up and backwards. Have a lot better, really comfortable. I'm not out there, I'm back here. Engine's running sweet as a nut, as you know. Just got to take it steady for a few hundred miles, and that'll do it. Get in this big queue of traffic. It'll die down once we get to the island here. Once we get past that, it'll be okay. Let Kurt come up the side. There's me lad. Dying to get out, he was. Finished work early, so he could get his levers and his bike out and come over to me. Yeah, get over, that's it, Kurt. Knee down, Dad, and go. Yeah, I can't go over 5,000 revs. Because of the engine. Should run it in a little bit, but it's sounding sweet. Give it that much. You might get a bit of traffic along this road. It can be a bit slow at the islands. But I'm happy with doing what I'm doing. Car replied. I know, I shouldn't really mention it. Yeah, that company, Car for Ride, they're sending me the one for the BMW. Yeah, they're sending me the one for this. You've got to put my cradle back on. But I might have it up there and have my own sat nav here. Because that's small, that's a big 7-inch thing, that is. The new one, the 702BS or whatever it's called. I think it's only for the BMW, because it's got the cradle thing on the back and you work it by your jog wheel. So I'll have a bit of digital thing going on my dash. Plus the Apple CarPlay. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That's Top Gear, and she's good. She is good. Got to go back on the 6th of October, but that's going down to Wollaston. They're doing it for me. It's on back order anyway. Water pump. The paint's coming off and it's like white powdery corroded stuff, so that's doing that under warranty, because I rang up yesterday about it, because today's the last day of the warranty. And I'm lucky. Yeah, diesel. Yeah, you can smell it, the diesel. Terrible, isn't it, lorries? They either forgot to put the cap on or they bloody fill it up too much. That's what they do. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the bike, I really am. Good of BMW to do it, but they have to do it, lump it like it, 'cause it is under their warranty. So at least they honoured it, that's the main thing. At least they honoured it. So I'm happy with it. I'll just check the suspension. We had one driver, yeah. I'll leave it in road, yeah. There, you know, I fitted the Scott oil here, that's what that is. Quite happy with that. Lubing me chain as I'm going along. Yeah, it's got the auto head. This has got the auto headlight on it because the switch ain't there for the manual, so definitely got auto headlights. I noticed when we come through there, them trees, then it was all lit up here. So he's off. Yeah, I hope it's recording. I don't know if the sound, let me just type that one. Testing 1, 2. I don't think the sound's working. Oh no. Oh yeah, and I'll just check it when I get to the bike, mate. I'll download it and watch it a little bit. Oh yeah, because the green's right across and it shouldn't be right across like that, it should be moving like that. I wonder if I... Hello? No, it's still there. Or is it moving? You can't see. I wish it had a red light because hello, testing 1, 2. Nah, it might be, it might not be. sale, that one on the corner. Old house made modern. That's what people do now, isn't it? Modernise them right up. Here we are. So let us pull in. Ooh, there's a lot of cars here. Yeah, I'll just put it here as well. I won't bother do. I thought my seat was loose. I won't put my seat on properly. Yeah, I thought it was high. Let's have a look now, see if this is recording, and it is. Definitely recording. So, this is the Longitch bike. I might go around with my camera, so I'll let you all be. Bye for now, and I won't put my seat on properly. Yeah, put my blocks on. These top ones are the compliments of Hoist. I'll put a link in his channel. They're the lights. And don't know if they're turning on now. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you'll see them. I'll just stick the BMW ones on as well. But there they are. They're the new lights that I fitted. I'll come back. Yeah, S4's on top and D2's down the bottom, and the original BMW lights. That's it. He's gone. That's what it's like, Bob. Bright as anything. We'll just start it up again. Come down here. Look at that. Do it like that so it makes it level. That's it.